Hello friends, today we are going to learn how to make Loreal earrings. We need jump rings, beads 10 mm, head pins, Loreals, earring hooks, bead caps with holes. At first we have to open the ends of the jump ring. Then we have to add Loreals to the jump rings and attach those jump rings to the bead caps. With the help of plier. Remember to use bead caps with the holes. One by one add all the jump rings. We have to add 4 jump rings. This is simple DIY Loreal earring making method. Here we have added all the jump rings, 4 jump rings. Now take a head pin, add this cap, it's looking pretty. Now we have to add a bead. If you want to see previous videos, please check out the links in the description box. Then we have to cut the head pin. As per required, we need to make a hoop loop. With the help of nose plier, we have to make one beautiful loop to attach earring hook. Here is a earring hook. Add this hook to the loop and our earring is ready. It is looking pretty. Same way we have to make another one and our earrings are ready. It is an easy DIY Loreal earrings making tutorial. They are looking very pretty and beautiful. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to comment, share, like and subscribe for new creative ideas.